it's Miss Danya here. Today we're going to be doing a simple experiment with a few things we have around the house. The first thing you're going to need is a clear cup or clear jar, a spoon for mixing, baking soda, some water, popping corn, and vinegar. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is pour the water right into the cup or jar. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to pour some baking soda right on in. Okay, make sure you mix until it's nice and clear. Get down to the bottom. Okay, that's good enough. We're gonna grab a handful of corn kernels and we're gonna throw them right in. But let's see what happens when we add some white vinegar into the mix. And there you go, popping corn. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Bye-bye.